Hello, and welcome to Bike Plus, your trusted source for the latest in bikes, cars, and automotive trends. Today, we're exploring the brand new 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10, a rugged, practical SUV that now comes with several modern-day enhancements. Whether you're looking for a durable family car or a vehicle ready to tackle rough roads, the Bolero Neo N10 has something to offer. Exterior design, bold and functional, the 2025 Bolero Neo N10 sticks to its rugged roots, while introducing refined updates to appeal to both urban and rural buyers. The signature boxy shape remains, giving it that authentic SUV stance. But Mahindra has modernized the front end with a redesigned chrome-accented grille, sharper headlights, and LED daytime running lights. The side profile showcases strong character lines, black cladding, and stylish alloy wheels that give it a more premium feel. The rear gets minor tweaks with updated tail lamps and a tailgate-mounted spare wheel, emphasizing its utility-first DNA. Interior comfort and features. Utility with a touch of sophistication inside the Bolero Neo N10. Mahindra has made meaningful improvements. The cabin now comes in a dual-tone finish with fabric seats, a cleaner dashboard layout, and an improved infotainment experience. The 7-inch touchscreen system supports Bluetooth, USB, and navigation. You also get steering-mounted controls, height-adjustable driver's seat, keyless entry, and rear parking sensors. Though it maintains a utilitarian layout, there's no compromise on space. With foldable third-row jump seats and ample headroom, the Neo N10 offers practicality for both passengers and cargo. Engine and performance. Built to endure, the 2025 Neo N10 continues to be powered by Mahindra's reliable 1.5L Mhawk diesel engine, delivering 100 HP and 260 Nm of torque. Mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, it's a rear-wheel drive SUV that excels in both urban traffic and off-road conditions. Built on the same ladder frame chassis used in the Mahindra Scorpio, the Bolero Neo N10 offers a rugged driving experience with high ground clearance and a multi-terrain capable suspension setup. While it may not be the fastest SUV in the segment, it shines in durability and ease of maintenance, qualities that Bolero fans have always appreciated. Safety and practicality. Confidence on the road. Mahindra has ensured that the 2025 Neo N10 doesn't fall behind in safety. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength steel body frame. Though it may lack advanced driver assist tech found in premium SUVs, it checks all the boxes needed for dependable everyday driving, especially in tough environments. Its ability to carry passengers and cargo comfortably while maintaining a strong road presence makes it ideal for Indian roads and conditions. Final verdict: who should buy it? The 2025 Mahindra Bolero Neo N10 is for buyers who value toughness, reliability, and low maintenance over flashy tech and high-end luxury. It's a solid choice for those living in semi-urban or rural areas, fleet owners, and anyone needing a strong, go-anywhere vehicle. With its latest upgrades, it also appeals to urban buyers who want a blend of old-school SUV charm and modern features. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates, reviews, and auto insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.